Well, this question says that box A had 87 fewer cookies than box B at first, and 40% of cookies from box B was moved to box A. Then 25% of the cookies in box A was moved back to box B. The ratio of cookies in box A to box B became 3:4. How many cookies were there in box A at first? We are going to approach these questions by backwards method. So we draw the end models first. At the end, we know that the ratio for box A to box B was 3:4. So we draw 3 uniques to represent box A and 4 equal uniques to represent box B. Alright. Then prior to this or previous to this, what happened? Previous to this, 1/4, 25% is equal to 1/4. Alright. 1/4 of the cookies was moved from A to B. Alright, that means to say that before that happened, A should have 4 uniques and 1 unique was transferred to B. So we're going to take back the 1 unique from B and give it to A. So A model will have 4 uniques and B model would be 3 uniques. And previous to this, what happened? We were told that 40% of the cookies was transferred from B to A. 40% is 2/5 or 2/5 in fraction equivalence. Alright, so 2/5 of the cookies was from B to A. That means to say that at first B had 5 uniques and 2 uniques was given to A. Alright, so that's why B was left with 3 uniques here, so it tally. So we're going to take back 2 uniques from A and give it to B. So A would have only 2 uniques left and B would have 5 uniques. Alright, and we are told that in the beginning or at first, box A had 87 fewer cookies than box B. Alright, so this is the models for at first, whereby that box B had 87 more than box A. So looking at this part of the model, we know that 3 uniques is equivalent to 87 cookies, and therefore 1 unit will be 87 divided by 3, which is 29 cookies. Alright, and the question is how many cookies were there in box A at first. So we look at the model for box A at first. It had 2 uniques. So box A at first 2 uniques is equal to 29 multiplied by 2. That gives us 58. So the answer to this question is there were 58 cookies in box A at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.